Ever wondered how chocolate came to be? Our love affair with chocolate began around 2,000 years ago with the Mayans. They didn't eat it as the sweet treat we know today, but drank it, a bitter beverage made from cacao beans. So, the next time you enjoy a sweet chocolate bar, remember its bitter beginnings. How did chocolate make its way from Central America to Europe, you ask? Well, let's dive into this sweet journey. It all started when Christopher Columbus, on his fourth voyage to the New World, stumbled upon curious beans that the natives held in high regard. Yes, those were cacao beans, the food of the gods, but it would take another explorer to truly recognize their potential. Enter the Spanish conquistadors, led by Hernán Cortés. They brought back these precious beans to Spain, where the bitter drink of the Aztecs was transformed into a luxurious, sweet beverage enjoyed exclusively by the Spanish elite. Shrouded in secrecy, Spain managed to keep chocolate under wraps for nearly 100 years. But as the century turned, the secret couldn't be contained any longer. Chocolate made its way across the continent, captivating the palates of the French, the English, the Italians, and beyond. From a well-kept Spanish secret to a European sensation, chocolate was on the move. But how did chocolate transform from a luxury item to an everyday treat? Well, the Industrial Revolution of the late 18th and early 19th centuries had a major part to play in this transformation. New inventions and machinery, such as the steam engine, allowed for the mass production of goods, including chocolate. One notable invention was the conching machine, developed by Rodolphe Lindt in the late 19th century. This machine refined cocoa beans into a smoother, finer texture, enhancing the taste and making the production process more efficient. With these technological advancements, companies like Cadbury in England, Nestlé in Switzerland, and Hershey in the United States seized the opportunity to mass-produce chocolate. Their products, being more affordable, reached a broader consumer base, changing the perception of chocolate from an exclusive luxury to a common delight. And that's how a bitter beverage became the sweet treat we know and love today. So there you have it, the journey of chocolate from a Mayan beverage to a global phenomenon. Let's take a quick stroll back through history. It all started with the Mayans, who first recognized the potential of cacao beans and transformed them into a bitter beverage. Then Columbus and the Spanish explorers took this exotic treasure across the ocean to Europe, where it began to sweeten up. During the Industrial Revolution, chocolate underwent a metamorphosis, becoming the popular and accessible treat we know today. Now, it's a universal symbol of indulgence and comfort, loved by people all around the globe. So the next time you savor a piece of chocolate, think about its journey. Remember, every bite of chocolate you enjoy is a piece of history in your hands.